Nathan Joshua, I've been drafting my vows since the moment you gave me the green light to book our wedding band a week before we were engaged. That is the instant I knew my dreams were finally coming true and I was going to marry my best friend.
I saw new colors in your eyes.
Julia, I vividly remember the day I walked into the office in Providence and you popped your head up from the cube to say, "Hi, I'm Julia, we're supposed to be friends." From that day forward, I've been lucky enough to experience the amount you care and give to everyone around you.
And you are my morning light.
I continue to be blown away every day,
You wake my heart to life.
not only by your beauty, but by your heart and your dedication to make everything special.
You light up my darkest night.
I love you.
There are infinite reasons why I love you.
I love it. You look beautiful.
You are thoughtful, intelligent, open-hearted, and the goofiest human I know. You make me feel special, supported, and loved every day. But my favorite part about you is your heart. Because there's always room for another friend, dog, or person in need.
Thank you for loving me for the exact person I am. Anxiety, panic attacks, inability to focus, nearly passing out when I get my blood drawn. It doesn't matter. You are always there for me. You bring out the best in me like no one else can. It is hard for me to put into words, but I've always had the feeling that when I'm with you, everything is going to be all right. You challenge me, support me, and provide me with a feeling of assurance every single day in just the right balance. I promise you that I will always be by your side. I will adopt 1,000 more Valentine's Day turtles and write 1,000,000 more good morning notes. And when the DIY project results in tears on the bathroom floor again because the drain pipes don't fit, I'll be there, ready to provide itchies.
From here on out, we're a team. I promise to act as your foundation and to be beside you through any obstacle. I promise to support you, challenge you, cherish you, and love you for all of our days.
Won't you close to me, close to me?
Every day, I will try to make you smile and ensure you set aside time to treasure the small moments.
You amaze me, Julia, and I'm so lucky to be by your side.
As all of you here know, Julia is intelligent, kind, and gives her all to everything she does. She's dedicated and thorough, which is why I'm sure it'll come to no surprise that Julia has had her wedding planned to perfection since she was a 12-year-old girl watching Say Yes to the Dress. Rain or shine. The only thing she didn't know and couldn't plan about her wedding day at that age would be the man she was marrying.
One day, Nate started mentioning a girl named Julia. Julie and I are doing this, Julie and I are doing that. And as we saw them and visited them over the coming years, Nate was not the same college roommate. He was much more devoted and caring to Julia than any other time I'd ever known him.
Julia and Nate's love for one another is evident in everything they do. It has been incredible to watch their journey through the years, and I'm so excited to officially welcome Nate into the family.
To Nate and Julia, here's to a lifetime of happiness and countless memories for the extraordinary couple. Cheers.
I love you, Nathan, and promise to continue loving you from this moment to my last.
You're my best friend. You're my everything. I love you, Julia.
I love you.